make an attempt to see if I can get across this thing without it falling. I want to get that boat. I'm going to leave my phone here. That to get messed up. Is this thing on? Oh boy, that's nuts. I can do this. I can do this. Oh my goodness, I don't know if I can. I don't have cat reflexes. Oh shoot. If I can get out there. Oh. How can I get this? Okay. Okay. Oh. I need a corner. Let's get this out of the way. Okay. Oh my God, it's heavy. Gee, it's too heavy. Just gonna go for it. Oh, I made it. Oh, God. Yeah, I made it and I left that thing there. How stupid. Okay. This thing is flooded. Going back. Going back. Oh my God. Made it. Got this. That was better. Okay. Okay. Got that. Want the pump? It's okay, Dad. Hey, where you going? God, look at all this goose crap. I can get here. Oh my gosh. Look at this full of water. Alright, you gotta get it up here. There we go again. Cat reflexes. Oh God, no. It just took off. Huh. Well, first we got to dump out the water. So don't get electrocuted. Okay, let's go this route. Yeah, okay, here we go. Oh my goodness. I don't even know if his battery's any good. Probably dead. Well, we definitely got to make sure that's dry. No, I'm not gonna plug it in right away. I think this is really working. Oh my gosh, look at this. This thing is working, and this was all in water, all of it. Okay, check that out. Get that dry. This is the one I'm concerned about. Keeping the sucker dry. Look at the bluegill.
You can never sleep in traffic, 'cause living steady panic. I know 'cause I try acid. Now I see through your habits, just like gadgets. You tell me with the two hands, I'm too bad. Wonder what your things are like. Need to get your bills paid, that's what you said.
those are water beetles. So if I were them, I would go towards the pump, get pumped through the hose, because if not, this thing's going to dry out. It's going to get hot and dry this boat out, and they're going to all die. Oh, there's a big one in the corner there. Oh, he just came at the surface. It's cool. Oh, he went by the pump. Oh, no, now he went back under. Oh, time to move it. Yeah, look at this. It's been sitting for who knows how long. See, I don't know if you guys see it, but you see all the little things running around through there. I'm not even sure what they are. That's water beetles. Don't look like any kind of larvae from.
The manners and respect, you get it. Just uneducated.
Yep.
But this so but you make it.
Thank you. One, two.
Manners and respect. I'm a realist. I see your actions like an itchy clitoris. I never listen to the critics. They try to steal you from your feet.
Holy crap. That was very close. Oh man. I stepped on this board. And I could feel it going through my shoe. And oh, do not. Oh, God, that was close. I felt my shoe go right through it, and I could feel just the tip of the nail touch my skin. And that made me want to lay off. Oh, I didn't see that. Okay, we gotta do something with this. Oh, one missed. There we go. There. Okay. Now, big challenge. I really don't feel like slipping and sliding here. Need to grab that battery like that. And I need to figure a way to get these. Oh, son of a. Oh my goodness. Well, this is going to end today because this sucker's got to dry out. Oh my god. Okay. Just leave it there. That's it. Let's go. Let's call it a day. Let's just end it here.